how to fix your request is pending on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, if your request is pending on Instagram, then that might be because you have not turned on the two-factor authentication. So to do it, head over to your Instagram app and then go to your profile icon on the bottom right corner of the screen. Go to the three horizontal lines on the top right, and then go to Account Center. Tap on Password and Security under Account Settings, and then tap on Two-Factor Authentication. Now choose how to get login codes. Just tap on it and then toggle on the two-factor authentication. And that's it. Now your request pending will be solved. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.